We talk to ourselves all the time. This is way too hard. You can't do this. You will do this. This is easy. Lightweight, baby!
Lightweight! Oh, baby! Lightweight! Lightweight, baby! Yeah! Go, baby! Gotta get deep! Gotta put your mind to it! Ooh! Go. Yeah, buddy! Lightweight! Yeah! Lightweight, baby! Yeah, buddy! Lightweight, baby! Go!
Most of the time, we don't even realize it, but we're constantly talking to ourselves. But the way we talk affects the way we swim, even if you're just learning how to swim. Imagine what it would have done to Michael Phelps if he was thinking, "Oh, these guys are probably faster than me. I don't think I can beat them." I think he would have probably lost all of his races if he thought like that. Positive self-talk is easy when things are going well, but it is most important when you have doubts, when things are going wrong, or when you have fears. In all of these cases, talking negatively will only make things worse, which in turn will bring you more negative self-talk. To master the art of positive self-talk, try this. First, be aware of your thoughts. Identify when and why the negative thoughts come and let them go, and change them for things like, "I can do this. I will swim the fastest. Come on, body. You can handle more pain than this." Repetition also helps. "I'm a good swimmer. I'm a good swimmer. I'm a good swimmer. I'm a good swimmer." Recall your greatest performances from the past. It doesn't matter if they are swimming related or not. You are just bringing back positive feelings, like the time you felt extremely accomplished by winning an award. If you're dealing with uncontrollable nerves, accept them and welcome them. Then, calm yourself with thoughts like, "You've got this. This is easy. You can do this." While you also breathe deeply and slowly each time. Remember that you swim with your body, but also with your mind. So don't forget to train your mind. If you like this video, click here to watch another one like it. Or if you want to visit our swimming webpage, click here. See you there. Swim fast!